Good morning, students. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj Group of Education. So dear students, today we will learn about determiners. So before proceeding the topic, we should know about the definition of determiners. What is the definition of determiners? So let's start the topic. The words which are used before nouns to determine or define the meaning of the nouns that follow them. For example, she taught us a story. So dear students, in definition I told you that the words which are used before nouns to determine or define that noun, define the noun that follow them, means नाउन से पहले जो वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं वो उस नाउन को डिफाइन करे, उसको डिटरमाइन करे. टू डिटरमाइन और टू फिक्स द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट नाउन इज कॉल्ड डिटरमिनर. So in this example or in this sentence I have written here, she taught us a story. So we should know about the noun. In this sentence there is a noun story. Story is the name of an object, a thing. You know very well what noun is. So noun is a naming words कहलाते हैं. The name of any person, thing, object, place is called noun. So story is noun, and before the story I have used here an article. Here it is determiner. As you know, article is not a separate topic in grammar. It is the part of determiners. These are the demonstrative adjective and these are called determiners. So before the noun I have used here a, so it is determiner. Next, I saw an elephant. Here also in this sentence there is a noun, and before the noun I have used an. It is also article. She has taken some rice. In this sentence also rice is noun, and before the noun I have used here a word that is some, and some is also determined because I have used here some to determine that noun, the rice, how much rice. Clear? So it is a determiner. So like this there are so many examples we can practice in which we use determiners to fix or to determine the meaning of that noun is called determiners. The words which are used before noun to determine or define the meaning of that noun is called determiners. Next, now we will talk about the types of determiners. Types of determiner. Number 1, article determiner. Article determiners. Number 2, article determiners are two types. Definite and indefinite. There are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Definite articles are those articles which definite the noun, because article are used before the noun. and to determine or fix the meaning of that noun. So definite article are those article which definite that noun, and indefinite are those article which indefinite that noun. Definite that, and indefinite a or n. A or n indefinite article, and the is definite article. So as you know, definite or indefinite article, I have written the a and n. So it is definite article, and these are indefinite article. So dear student, the is the weak form of that. It is the weak form of that, and a or n are the weak form of one. These are the weak form of one, and this is the weak form of that. So now we will talk about the pronunciation of these words. We usually use the weak form or weak pronunciation, means these are the pronounced by two types. The is pronounced by the and the, and it is a and a, n and n. Like this they are pronounced. The and the, and a, n and n. So when we pronounced it the, and when we pronounced it the. When we have to first let's come to know that the, and n, these are the weak pronunciation, weak form. When we talk about the pronunciation, so the, and n are weak form, and in strong form there is pronounced by calling the, and it is pronounced by calling a, and it is n. So these are the, or n weak form, weak pronunciation, and the, a and n are strong pronunciation. It is strong pronunciation. When we have to usually we use weak form of these words, but whenever we have to emphasize or put the stress on that word before which it is used, we call it the, otherwise we pronounce it the. So I am giving here example. I saw the elephant which ate the pineapple. I saw the elephant which ate the pineapple. मैंने elephant देखा. Elephant is common noun. There are so many types of elephant maybe, but here we are talking about the special type of elephant. Special, due to specific reason I have used here definite article. Elephant is noun, and before the noun I have used here the. And next, which ate the pineapple. Pineapple is also the name of a fruit, and it is noun. So before noun I have used definite article. These are the definite article, and I have used here definite article because of due to specific reason. These are the special type of noun. एलिफेंट भी हम स्पेशल टाइप के एक एलिफेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ये वही एलिफेंट था विच एट, जिसने खाया. मीन्स देर आर सो मेनी एलिफेंट, बट यहाँ पर हम किसी स्पेशल टाइप के किसी एक एलिफेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जिसने पाइनएप्पल खाया. तो सभी ने, जरूरी नहीं है सभी एलिफेंट ने खाया उस टाइम, हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर की बात कर रहे हैं जिसने पाइनएप्पल खाया. दैट्स वाई आई हैव यूज्ड हियर द. एंड हियर बिफोर द पाइनएप्पल also I have used definite article. Here also pineapple was particular, special, because there were crackers in it. That's why it is special. We are particularize them. So these are the example of determiners. Next type. Next type of article, determiners. Demonstrative. Demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative determiners are those determiners which point out the object denoted by the noun. Denoted by the noun, demonstrative adjectives point out the object. These are the this, that, these and those. These are the demonstrative adjective. These are used to point out the object denoted by the noun. And next, possessive determiners. Possessive determiners are those determiners which show the possession. Means her, his, my, our, their, its, one's, etc. These are the possessive determiners. Her, his, my, our, their, its, one's, etc. These words are used to show the possession. And number fourth are the numeral determiners. Numeral determiners. So I should write on the top. Numeral determiners are those determiners which shows the number. Number fourth, numeral determiners. Numeral determiners are three types: definite, indefinite, and distributive also. Distributive also. Definite numeral determiners. Definite कौन से होते हैं? One, which are definite, which definite the noun. 1, 2, 3 and so on. First, second, third and so on, etc. These are the cardinal or ordinal numbers. These are the definite numeral determiners. And if you talk about indefinite, which make the indefinite that noun. Means indefinite पे आप यूज करेंगे some, many, few, any, all, etc. These are indefinite determiners. And distributive determiners. Distributive determiners: each, every, either, neither, etc. These are distributive determiners: each, every, either, neither, etc. So these are the types of numeral determiners. Numeral determiners, the determinants which shows the number, definite, indefinite or distributives. These are the determiners. And next, number 5th. Number 5th, quantitative. Quantitative determiners. Quantitative determiners are those determiners which shows the quantity of that noun, which denotes quantity, like much, little, less, few also, some, half, and there so on. There are so many words are remaining. These are the words which shows the quantity of that object, that noun. These are called quantitative determiners. So dear students, these are the types of determiners. So now we have come to know that about the types of determiners, but now we will come to know, or we will practice these determiners, how to use in the sentences. हमें अब इनको सेंटेंस में यूज करना. वेयर वी कैन यूज एनी, वेयर वी कैन यूज सम, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, many, a many. These are the determiners and difficult determiners, you can say. So we have to learn now uses of these determiners. So first of all, we will discuss, or we will learn about the article determiners. First type which I mentioned, article determiners, a, an and the. As I have told you that definite or indefinite article, a or an, these are the weak form of one. So before the words a or n, कहाँ यूज करेंगे, हाउ टू यूज इन द सेंटेंसेस, बिफोर विच वर्ड वी कैन यूज ए और बिफोर विच वर्ड वी कैन यूज एन. सो नाउ वी विल प्रैक्टिस. Is used before the noun which begins with the consonant sound. Before the consonant sound, we will use a before the words which starts with the consonant sound. With the consonant sound. Consonant sound. And with the words which starts with the vowel sound. With the vowel sound. A is used with the words which starts with the consonant sound, and n is used with the vowel sound. So this is the difference between a or n. Like I have, so dear student, I have written a sentence. I have dash pen. Pen. Pen, it is P. It is the consonant in English alphabet, but it pronounces pen. We pronounce it pen, and it is the consonant sound. It is consonant and gives the consonant sound also. Consonant ही है और consonant ही sound देता है. Some words are such words which starts with consonant but gives the vowel sound, and some words starts with vowel but gives the consonant sound. But here it is consonant and gives the consonant sound. So with the consonant sound we will use a. And next they have taken orange. It is pronounced orange. It starts with vowel and gives the vowel sound also. vowel से start होता है और vowel ही sound दे रहा है. फर्स्ट लेटर की जो साउंड है अ है, vowel sound है, and it is consonant sound. तो before consonant sound we have to use a, and before the vowel sound we have to use n. Here we will use a. Clear? So like this, in all the sentences we have to check the pronunciation, check the sound of that noun before which there is dash, there is blank space. We have to use their determiner. Clear? Next, now we will discuss about those words which starts with vowel but gives consonant sound, and some words starts with consonant but their sound is silent. And so look the example here. For example, I have studied for hour. I have studied for dash hour. Here we have to use indefinite article. A और n में से हमें यहाँ पर यूज करना है. We are discussing about the a और n, because first of all we will discuss these articles, after that we will discuss the. So now here we have to use a or n. What will you use? We have to check the sound of this word, sound of first letter. Here h is silent and it is pronounced hour. Its pronunciation is hour. Some students call it hour. It is not hour. H is silent in this word, and here its pronunciation is hour. Hour, it is vowel sound. I told you that there are so many words which starts with consonant letter, consonant, but gives the sound of vowel. Here there is no sound. H silent है. H silent है तो हमारे पास O, U, R remaining है, and its pronunciation is hour. So here hour बन गया तो we will use here n. Clear? Like this, there are so many words. Hour, air, honor, honorable, so these are the words which starts with consonant H. But H doesn't give here sound. It is silent. H जो है silent है in words में. So here air, honor, honorable vowel sound दे रहे हैं. So before the vowel sound we have to use n. Clear? Next, there are so many examples more which are very typical, very difficult also, because these words starts with consonant and gives the vowel sound. Like here I am writing some words EWE. So we confuse if we have not read this word before, so we will confuse that what is the pronunciation of this word. This word's pronunciation is U, and it starts with vowel. वोवल से स्टार्ट होता है बट प्रोनाउंसिएशन यू है इसकी. सो यू वोवल साउंड नहीं है, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. सो बिफोर द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड वी विल यूज अ. अदरवाइज समटाइम्स वी कंफ्यूज दैट ई स्टार्ट्स विद, दिस वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विद ई एंड ई इज वोवल. सो बिफोर द वोवल वी हैव टू यूज. नो, वी हैव टू चेक ओनली प्रोनाउंसिएशन. वी हैव टू चेक ओनली द साउंड ऑफ फर्स्ट लेटर. हमें फर्स्ट लेटर की साउंड चेक करनी है. एंड हेयर दिस वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज यू. सो नाउ वी विल यूज हेयर अ. Clear? And some students make mistake before this word also. In this word, students understand that it is silent. They think that it is silent and they call it ear. So dear student, it is not ear, it is ear. It is year, and here we will use a, not an. Many students make mistake before using articles or determiners before this. They always use here n. But listen carefully. It is not ear. It is year. Year. And before this we have to use a. Clear students? So there are so many words which confuse us. So we have to not to confuse. There is no need to confuse. We have to practice a lot. And by practicing we will learn this topic. As you know that there is a proverb also, practice makes a man perfect. So now we will also practice these words and this topic. So I think it is clear that before the vowel sound we have to use n, and before the consonant sound we have to use a. So I think there is no doubt, it is clear to you. Next, now we'll proceed the topic definite article the. Where the is used. The is used with the particular or special object, place or person. We use definite article to particularize that noun. किसी स्पेशल पर्सन के, प्लेस के और थिंग से पहले हम द आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड. क्लियर? एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद द नेम ऑफ, with the name of rivers, dam, canal, range of mountain, range of mountain and island, mountain or island, sea and ocean, etc. So dear students, the article is used before the name of rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Jamuna, Kaveri. So whatever, any river, कोई भी river हो, before the name of all the rivers we will use the article. Before the dam also, just like the Bhakra dam, और जितने भी डैम हैं सभी डैम के साथ हम द आर्टिकल इज यूज्ड. क्लियर? द गंगा, द यमुना, द कावेरी, द नील एंड कैनल, द पनामा कैनल, द स्वेज कैनल. सो बिफोर द नेम ऑफ कैनल वी विल यूज द. रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन और आइलैंड. सो लिसन केयरफुली, पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड स्टूडेंट्स. बिफोर द रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन, before the range of mountain or island we will use the. We will not use the before the single mountain or island. कोई single mountain हो और island हो उससे पहले हम the article नहीं यूज करेंगे. Before the range of mountains like the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the Alps. These are the group, these are the range of mountains, not single mountain. Islands की बात करें तो the Netherlands, the Andamans, the Nicobars. These are the range of islands. Single island हो just like Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka से before हम no article is used. Mount Abu single mountain है. We don't use. We will not use here any article because it is single. And sea, before the sea or ocean. जितने भी सी है, ओशियन है, सभी से नेम से पहले वी विल यूज द आर्टिकल. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल टू यूज द. एंड rest, there are so many rules. We will practice how to use or where to use the definite article. We will practice in next video, in next lecture. So this is all for today. Thanks.